Have you lately been wondering what Marham is? Let's check it out. Marham is a complete health solution which helps you finding the right consultants near you. Just select the specialty. It will list you all the doctors from your city. Or you can also look for the nearby doctors according to your location. Marham also connects you with the right doctors upon searching with the name of the disease. You can seek the answers of the qualified physicians and can also directly book an appointment after getting satisfied from their answers. You can also discuss about the right qualified physicians through the Marham Facebook community, where 14,000 active members are eagerly helping each other. Not only this, but you can also check doctor details and can also book an appointment on a single click. Moreover, you can use the map service if you are finding any difficulty in reaching out to the hospital. Do you want to be a part of this health improvement system? Share your feedback about the doctors. It will help others. Help us in improving the healthcare ecosystem of Pakistan. Report if you find an incorrect information. Be a part of this change. Share this information with your friends and family and with your loved ones. Marham, sincerely yours.